Today I'd like to talk to you about Neatsfoot Oil by JobSite. Neatsfoot Oil is a waterproofing, but it also will help restore dried out leather. It's great to use on things like ball gloves and briefcases as well. For application, simply tip the cap. There's a couple ways that you can apply. The best way for me is just to apply it, squeeze just a little bit right onto the surface of it. Then either take a horsehair dauber or a clean cloth. For application, I just work it in a circular motion. That helps open up the pores of the leather and work the product right in. Once you get it on there, just let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. What you then want to do is take something like a horsehair brush, which we make at JobSite, or a clean cloth. Just take off any of the excess that's sitting on the surface. You can do that in a rocking motion. Again, let it sit for maybe 10 or 15 minutes and repeat the application. You may want to do it 2 or 3 times depending on how dried out the leather that you're trying to condition and protect. Again, this is the Neatsfoot Oil by JobSite.